So I was watching this YouTube video the other day, and it was about the hit film software. Now this is the software I used to do all my editing and add visual effects to my videos. Anyway, it was a question and answer video because they've released a new version of the software. So during the video, somebody asked a pretty important question. Pizza or burgers? Well, the hit film team suggested, why can't you have both? A pizza burger, which got me thinking, I can make one of those. So let's check it out. So, you're going to need your ingredients. So that was my attempt at a pizza burger. Of course you can make it any way you like, depending on what type of pizza is your favourite. Anyway, that was my favourite. So, I hope you liked today's video. If you did, be sure to thumbs up, subscribe and leave a comment. There'll be more soon. Thanks for watching.